Ever wonder why you choose a product on a store shelf? It's usually because of the advertised memory we have of it. But what about the other uses for these products? Take a can of penetrating oil like WD-40 or Buster, our brand. Not many people think of using it to inflate a flat tire when they're miles away from a service station. Or those annoying orange warning stickers for parking violations. The glue residue is a real pain to remove. But did you know penetrating oil can help with that too? Understanding the composition of these chemicals can enhance our knowledge of their functionality. For instance, an article on Engineering for Change by Rob Goodyear highlights a study by Drexel University students. They discovered that vegetable oil with 10% acetone works as well as WD-40 in freeing seized bolts. Their eco-friendly mix of 87.5% vegetable oil and 12.5% acetone removes corrosion and provides lubrication effectively. Science and large-scale chemical products make life easier. No complex mixtures needed, just a visit to the hardware store, or perhaps emailing or calling me. But with great power comes great responsibility. These products must be stored and used with caution. Take bleach, for example. During World War I, chlorine gas was used as a weapon, violating international agreements. Today, we must be vigilant about the storage and safety of chemicals. Proper storage, awareness of VOC levels, and using safety gear like goggles, gloves, and N95 masks are crucial. Leaving chemicals unattended is a significant risk. They can react to changes in humidity, temperature, and light, causing containers to degrade. By following strict safety measures, we ensure these compounds clean, lubricate, and disinfect our environment effectively. Let's continue this conversation and explore more ideas together. I'm here to listen and help.